What's happening out there, everybody? This is Hayden Adams with Designer Who Codes. Here is one very boring looking website, but the magic is it's responsive. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how you can create a design where at a certain size your browser goes from light gray and black text to then black background and white text. And we're starting. All right, so to get started, I have a basic HTML document. I've got the doc type HTML. I have the HTML opening and close tags right here and below. Got the head section up here. I've got the body, and I've got a link with a title tag, a link to the CSS file, which is currently empty. And what I'm missing is I'm missing the viewport. This is the critical juncture to make everything work in your responsive design. What I want to do is I'm going to say meta name equals viewport. What the viewport does, it allows us to create a responsive design, not just on the browser, but on a mobile phone and a tablet as well. What this does is I'm going to say content, and in here width equals device dash, ooh, did I spell it right? Width equals device width. And then I'm also going to say comma initial scale equals 1. This essentially says make this design be 100% at a responsive design, no matter what browser or tablet or phone we are on. And of course, let's not forget to close this bracket. Otherwise, I would be in deep trouble. Now that we added this viewport, what I want to do is then go into my CSS file and create some changes to the responsive design nature. For the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to add a body tag. I'm going to say body, and in here I'll say background color, and we're going to add gray to this design. So the background color is going to change to gray. Now what I want to do is when I move my browser below a certain number, I'm going to use 600 pixels for this example. When it goes to 600 pixels or smaller, change the color. So we use what are called media queries, and media queries are really easy to use. You can set up however many you want and whatever size you want. In this case, I'm going to say at media. Whoa, that's a weird spelling. Media, and I'm going to say parentheses max width, if I get the word width correct, and I'll say 600 pixels in here. Now, let's just add the curly brackets before I forget. How we're talking about media queries, the media query for me, at least my brain thinks counterintuitively, but this is how it works. Above 600 pixels or max width, don't do this, essentially. So if we say above 600 pixels, don't pay any attention. Let's put a little comment in this one. So what it's going to do is we're going to say by default, it's gray. Now, again, this is the whole cascading style sheet. Then the word cascading means it's going to flow down the page. So by default is up top and the media query is down below. In this design, I'm going to say below 600 pixels. So again, above 6, don't pay any attention. That's kind of how the max works. So in here, I'm going to say body. And now I'm going to say background color, I'll go black. Now again, I'm not 600 pixels, so again, it didn't pay attention to this design. So now what's going to happen is when I move my browser, if we go below 600 pixels, poof, like magic, it turns black. And let's also do our H1. Let's add the color of white. So now also don't forget that by default, it's black type on black background. So now if we save this, the type now turns to white and the body background turns to black. And like magic, when I pull it back, it now goes hello world. Let's just go light gray. Light gray should work. There we go. I can read the text a little bit better in this arena. Now we can double check this to make sure it's working. If we go into Chrome and inspect, what I want to do is I'm using the dimensions responsive. Notice the number 600 at the top. When I move my browser or mobile design At 600, it says go black, but at 601, go to gray. And that's how you can create responsive design using media queries and the viewport with device width to make your site completely responsive.